Hello sa aking lahat ng mga minamahal na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ang reading natin ngayon is, what if naging kayo? Okay? This could be from your past person. And we're gonna talk about the person for your future, or this person na currently that you're thinking na, what if kung magiging kayo? Okay? So, meron tayong person from the past and the person that you are currently thinking right now na kasalukuyang nangyari ngayon. Okay? So, mix na ito ha, mix na. Okay? So, kamusta po kayong lahat? Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, I have a new tarot decks. Maliit ito, napaka-cute. So, I would like to welcome my new tarot decks. These two. Lately, I have been buying new tarot decks. Nakakaaliw kasi pagka may mga bagong tarot cards ako dito. Okay? Kasi feeling ko, kailangan ko ng bago is just to try to get a new energy. Okay? Para hindi pa balik-balik na energy ang nababasa ko or nakukolekt ko. Kasi feeling ko yung energy ng mga tarot decks ko, parang napapagod na sila. So, they need to like, mag-relax na muna sila or mag-vacation na muna sila, no? So, anyway, para sa akin lang naman yun na bili ng bagong tarot decks. Okay? If you guys wants to donate any tarot decks, tarot cards, feel free to donate. Okay? My Facebook fan page or WhatsApp, Viber, just check on description below. Okay? If you wanted to reach out, kung gusto mo magbigay regalo, okay? I am happy to receive any of tarot deck na pwede kong pagagamitin during this tarot reading or any of my tarot reading. Okay? So, again, I'd like to welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot. Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay niyo dito sa aking The Star Talking Tarot and believe in me and believing in this reading. And sa mga matagal na nakapag-subscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, maraming salamat dahil ako ay sinusubaybayan niyo pa rin at hindi niyo ako iniwan. Maraming salamat sa suporta, support and love. I really appreciate it, guys. I love you all. At sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, sa mga cross-watcher dyan, subscribe na po kayo. Okay? The more, the better. Okay? Nakaka-appreciate po yun. Okay? Kung hindi niyo pa feel itong YouTube channel ko na makapag-subscribe, okay lang din. Okay? Wala namang sa pilitan. So, let's get your current energy right now. Hi, Spirit Angels, what's going on with all my beloved viewers right now? Okay. Okay, kunin natin tong kasi lumang na to. Sa tabi natin. Again, guys, sa mga gusto mag-follow sa aking Facebook, meron po akong Facebook fan page. You can reach out doon sa aking Facebook fan page, or minsan may mga ganap po ako doon sa aking Facebook. Minsan nag-offer ako ng free live tarot reading. Depende kasi minsan kasi pagod ang lola ninyo. So kailangan ko rin mag-relax, ano? Okay. Meron tayong Ace of Cups. Guys, you guys are being so blessed by the universe. I am so happy and proud of you guys. You guys are doing well. Yung iba sa inyo, you are looking forward na makapag-move on. Focus sa career. Focus sa finances ninyo, which is very good, positive. Okay? Your current energy right now, most of you here, your life is moving forward. Okay? Which is good. You are, yung buhay na hindi ka na na-stuck. Okay? Talagang you are walking away, okay? You might be also walking away from negative people, toxic people, or mga tao na hindi mo naman kailangan, okay? Or it doesn't serve you well, okay? So you are moving forward, moving away from these people, toxic people, or you might be also currently moving to a new direction, okay? New career path, or siguro ikaw ay nagta-travel, okay? Yung iba siguro sa inyo ay parang babalik na or aalis, pupuntang bagong ibang bansa or magta-travel, okay? So it's very painful for you na you have to leave them behind, okay? It's because you are supporting them, okay? Related sa trabaho ito or siguro mangingibang bansa ka na, magmamigrate, meron ganitong, yeah. Hindi ito makaka-resonate sa lahat. Again, this is a general reading. Just take what's yours and leave the rest behind. Yeah, so I'm also getting like you guys, mag-ingat po kayo sa pagbabiyahe ninyo. Okay, meron tayong warning dito from the universe. Mag-ingat-ingat kayo kasi baka may biglang mag-ambush. Okay, I'm hearing ambush. So lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay uuwi ng gabi, okay? Wag po kayong uuwi ng mag-isa lang or maglakad mag-isa. I'm saying maglakad ng mag-isa during at night, baka biglang may mag-ambush sa inyo, okay? Or anong tawag doon, yung mandurukot, yung ganon. Di ba? Uso yun sa Manila, di ba? May mga mandurukot. Noon yun eh. I'm not sure until now. But again, mas magandang maingat. Okay? Huwag po kayong maglakad mag-isa, lalo-lalo na sa gabi. Okay? At be aware you around your surroundings kasi baka ikaw may mandurukot, okay? Or madukutan. Okay? At baka biglang may mag-stab sa iyo or maano ka. Anong tawag doon? Yung or masaksak. Okay? Yeah, so this is a warning from the universe na mag-ingat-ingat kung ikaw ay uuwi or may pupuntahang mag-isa. Okay? So might as well make sure you are with somebody with you. Okay? With your friends or family members. Okay? So ingatang maglakad mag-isa ng gabi. Okay? Yeah, mag-ingat. So yes, you guys are being guided and the universe is sending you love, so much love and happiness. Okay, you guys are being blessed. This is just the beginning of the month, the beginning of the year. Okay, January. Yeah, the month of January, you guys are being blessed. Yung iba sa inyo, happy family, ramdam na ramdam mo yung pagmamahal ng mga anak mo, yung pamilya mo, yung asawa mo, yung mga kapatid mo, kaibigan mo. Okay, yung iba nga sa inyo is I'm getting like parang communion. Okay, siguro may pinupuntahan kayong communion ay may magaganap na communion, parang ganyan. O siguro sa simbahan, okay? You might be also getting the communion from the church. Okay. Yeah, you guys are being guided, which is very positive para sa inyo this first month of the year, January. Okay? So again, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga always be positive lang. Mas maganda yung focus kayo sa sa finances ninyo, okay, sa pagbabudget ninyo dito, okay, sa mga kinikita ninyo. And you guys are looking forward na mas tataas or mas dudoble or dodoblehin pa yung sa trabaho. Okay, yung sipag para mas dodoble din ang kikita mo. Yun yung nakuha kong energy. Lalong-lalo na ikaw ay negosyante, you are planning. Okay, meron ka ditong pagpaplano na dobling kayod pa para mas dumadami pa yung kita mo sa negosyo mo. Okay? Yeah. Ang dami mo mga plano. Okay? Pagpaplano sa finances, pagpaplano mag-abroad, siguro you are planning to yung maghanap ng panibagong trabaho. Okay? Meron tayong pagpaplano dito na maghanap ng bagong trabaho or another new opportunity. Siguro this is the right time for you na mag-abroad. Okay? Kasi parang yung kinikita mo lang ngayon dito sa Pinas or whatever country you are in, maybe it's time to find another place. Okay? Na mas ma-achieve ko pa yung goal ko. Okay? Mas dodoble pa yung kikitain ko. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo hindi pa nakapag-move on until now. It might be something about your past. Okay? Past person na parang, it could be your past or ex-lover na nilayasan ka. Okay? Until now, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. You are trying your best to heal. Okay? You really want this person. Gusto mo itong taong ito na mag-sorry, mag-apology sa iyo. So, that's your current energy right now na until now, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Your soul is still longing for that peaceful, okay, for that painful na mag-heal ito. Kasi parang hinahanap mo pa, parang until now, hinahanap mo pa rin yung happiness mo. Na you are searching for that happiness na kailan ba ako maging masaya? Okay? Bakit parang ang saklap ng mundo sa akin? Okay? Ang dami mong dinadamdam. Until now, dinadamdam mo pa rin yung mga sakit, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yung feeling na unappreciated ka, Yung iba nga sa inyo, parang feeling mo hopeless romantic. Parang, until now, parang wala naman yatang magpursiging manligaw sa'yo. Because I think I'm getting like, you are losing your faith. You are losing your confidence. Okay? And that's why you are like, parang naglakad ka na ano ba yun? Walang makakapansin sa akin. Kasi ako lang ito. Hindi naman ako maganda, hindi ako magaling, hindi ako mayaman. Parang ang dami mong mga struggle. Okay? Talagang parang ikaw na mismo sarili mo, sinasaktan mo sarili mo. Okay? Dinediscourage mo sarili mo. Yeah, that's the energy that we are getting. Okay? Yeah, you are very discouraging yourself about what happened. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng low esteem, parang nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety. Okay? Nagkakaroon ka ng ano ba yun, kawalan ng tiwala. Okay? That's why you are afraid of getting to another relationship. Okay? Parang takot ka na makipagrelasyon muli sa iba. Kasi parang ayaw mo nang masaktan muli. Yung ganun. Talagang sinasabotage mo yung, or sinasabotahin mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Na hindi mo na kailangan or walang kung magkakaroon ka rin ng karelasyon, sasaktan ka lang din. Okay? Parang mangyayari pa rin yun sa nangyari noon na walang faithful. Okay? Walang, yung tipo na walang forever. Parang naging ganun na yung mo, yung instinct mo or yung yung theme sa sarili mo. Walang forever. So parang ganun na, parang naging bitter ka na sa sitwasyon mo when it comes to your love life or trust sa tao. Yeah. It doesn't have to be love life. It could be also other friends or friendship na parang nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety or nagkakaroon ka ng gap. Okay? Kasi parang siguro na nakawan ka na. Okay? That's why you are losing hope to trust anyone na ayaw mo magpapasok ng tao sa bahay kasi nakawan ka na. Kasi syempre sino lang naman ang tao sa bahay mo. Okay? Pamilya mo lang din, relatives mo lang din. So parang much better na hindi mo na sila papapasukin pa sa bahay. Kasi nagkakaroon ka na ng anxiety or fear, takot na baka mangyari muli. Okay? That's another energy that we are getting. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa again, pabalik-balik pa talaga itong energy na still can't move on from your past person. Na sana itong person may magbabalik. Okay? Parang until now, hinihintay mo pa siya. Na sana ay magbabalik siya. That's another message for us here. And you guys, meron tayong ditong the Knight, the Lovers, the Tower. I'm getting like, there's also changes, okay? Changes about, okay. I'm getting like another changes when it comes to your relationship. Yung iba dito sa inyo na may, may mga asawa na. So, another warning dito ha, or maybe it happened, yung iba dito nangyayari na, you might be dealing, kung ikaw ay or may karelasyon na, there's another one person na darating sa buhay mo, yung iba, ang mangyayari pa lang, yung iba nangyayari na, so, it's up to you, okay? This is like another, a challenge, okay? Challenge from the universe, okay? Kung hanggang saan magiging mag-stand out, maging mas matatag pa ang iyong relasyon sa partner mo. Okay? Kung ikaw ay maging marupok or yung partner mo ay maging marupok. So, there's like another person, parang challenge sa relasyong ito na there's another person na darating, okay, in this relationship and it's up to you. Okay? You will be meeting a new person. Okay? A new admirer, a new lover. So, it's up to you if you wanna be in a third wheel or you could be the third wheel. So, vice versa. Kasi minsan parang nagkapalit-palit yung energy natin dito eh. Okay? So, yeah, may mga pagbabago dito sa pagdating sa karelasyon. Okay? This could be your person na may bagong na-meet. So, I'm getting like, follow your intuition. Kasi minsan parang nagkakaroon ka ng kutob. Okay? Yeah. Baka lately nagkaroon ka ng away or parang nagkakaroon ka ng away sa pamilya mo, ng partner mo, ng husband mo or yung boyfriend o girlfriend mo, and kasi nagkakaroon ka ng kutob. Okay? So this is part of the challenge dito sa inyong relasyon or sa karelasyon mo. Okay? So, kung nagkaroon ka man ng kutob sa partner mo na may iba pang third wheel, okay, third party, open up. Okay? Try mo siyang kausapin na ganito ganyan. Hindi mo naman kailangan na kausapin siya na nagwawala ka na. Hindi pa nga nagsalita si partner mo, bigla ka na nagwawala. So, humanap ka ng timing. Okay? Humanap ka ng timing na mas kalma si person mo bago mo siya i-confront. Okay? Hindi naman pwede na basta-basta ka na lang nag-confront kasi feeling mo na sa tama ka. Kaya galit na galit ka. So, mas mabuti na para maiwasan itong gulo, itong away, okay? Hindi magandang conversation, okay? Mas maganda talaga na mag-start muna sa kalma. Kalmado muna, okay? Try to hold it, okay? Maging mas pasensyoso para kung gusto mo talaga mag-work itong relasyong ito, okay? Try to be more patient, okay? Maging pasensya o pasensyoso, okay? Sabihin mo, love, ganito, ganyan, parang feeling ko kasi may iba, ganyan, ganyan. May kutob kasi ako na ganyan. Or kung gusto mo may pangalan o may tao, kung kilala mo itong tao na parang may kutob ka, then speak up. Okay? I-voice out mo sa partner mo. Makikinig naman yan kasi mahal na mahal ka ng person mo. Kung mahal na mahal ka talaga niya. Okay? Kung pwedeng sabihin mo rin na I want this relationship na mag-move forward. I want to stay strong. I want to stay in this relationship. Do you want to stay with me? Okay? So yes or no. And then if you want to stay with me, then let go of that third wheel. Something like that. Okay? Para hindi na mahantong sa away. Kasi yung iba parang nagsusuntukan na lang, parang galit-galitan na lang, parang napunta yung conversation sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Okay? So, sabihin mo na lang, i-ano mo sa partner mo na, I want to stay in this relationship. I want, gusto ko talaga na mag-strong ang relasyon natin, mag-stay sa relasyon natin. So, I have this feeling, uncomfortable feeling. Feeling ko kasi parang ito si ganyan-ganyan, parang may gusto sa'yo. May gusto ka rin ba sa kanya? Gusto mo ba siyang masubukan? Then if you want to be with that person, then split na tayo. Ayoko na. Okay? Or, wala na. End na natin to. Kasi, ayoko na ganitong nararamdaman ko palagi na, yung talagang, dapat magsalita ka ng totoo. Wow, talagang may dito parang malalim na sitwasyon. It's better na talagang may communication kayo ng partner mo. Okay? Ano pa ba ang hinihintay mo para magtagal itong relasyong ito? Hindi pwedeng isang person lang ang mag-working hard to stay and, to keep this relationship stay and strong. Kung ikaw lang mag-isa, dapat dalawa kayo. Okay? Yeah. Kasi napaka-unfair naman na, di ba, na parang andyan ka lang, nasasaktan ka lang palagi, parang ang ganda ng ngiti ng partner mo, pero sa behind the scene, nakikita mo yung panuloko niya. Hindi pwedeng ganyan. Okay? Kailangan talaga may may line ka. May linya. Hanggang dyan lang. Okay? Hindi pwede abutin pa ng ilang araw. Talagang may dapat may tuldok. Tutuldukan mo yan. Okay? Sabihin mo na ng lahat. Okay? This is the right time to have a communication with your partner. Hindi pwedeng patagalan nito. Okay? But again, this is part of the universe challenge. Okay? It's up to you. Again, it's up to you how to handle this challenge. Okay? Another person na ma-meet. Kasi, I think every relationship, may mga level yan eh. May mga level kung hanggang saan. Okay? Yung hanggang saan kayo magtagal. Kasi I believe that nobody's relationship is perfect in this lifetime. Yeah. It's a matter of us, of yung paano natin i-handle yung sarili natin sa kapartner natin. Okay? So, again, as a reminder, always believe in God. Okay? Prayer is the most powerful. Okay? Yeah. So, laging manalangin. Okay? Lalong-lalo na ikaw ay feeling down. Ipanalangin mo ito at nang lahat ay mabigyan ng sagot. Okay? At marinig ni universe itong mga problema mo at mabigyan ka ng yung parang katarungan, or you will be getting your justice. Okay? So, hindi ko natatagalin ito. This is very specific message for this person, okay, in this energy, current energy. So, what else? Okay, what else? This is your current energy. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag ano ba yan? Ayun na naman, bumabalik na naman kasi hindi pa nakapag-move on. Talagang hinihila ako pabalik dito sa hindi pa nakapag-move on. Alam mo na, nakuha mo na yung energy natin dito, hindi ko na hahabahan pa. So, move on na tayo. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-resonate sa reading nito na energy natin, current energy, meaning this is not for you. Okay? So, what else? So, let's get the energy na, hold on. Let's get, sino itong tao na kadil mo ngayon? Okay? The person in your mind, okay? Isipin nyo muna o isilarawan nyo sa isipan ninyo the person that you are thinking right now, na yung taong iniisip mo na what if naging kayo? Okay? What if naging kayo? Si past person muna natin. Okay? What if naging kayo? I-mix na lang natin si past and present. Okay? What if naging kayo? Okay? Sino itong kadil ng ating mga viewers, whoever watch this video, sino itong what if naging kayo? Yung kadil nila ngayon. Okay. Okay, meron tayong too much confident. Itong taong ito ay napaka-confident sa sarili niya. Nagwapo or maganda. Cancer. Might be dealing with cancer. Nasa abroad. Dito na lang. Gemini. Malamig na lugar. Again, nasa abroad, diba? So, malamig na lugar. Chef. Baka nagtatrabaho to sa restaurant. Pilyo or could be the owner of the business. Pilyo, masyadong high confident din. Letter T. Okay, Gemini, wow. Double, ano na to, double murder. Ano ba yung double murder? Gemini, okay. Yeah. Model, yes, napakaganda, gwapo, makisig. Around 30s, sorry. Matangkad. Wow, napakagwapo talaga nitong person na to. Maganda. Year of the Goat. The Voice. Magandang boses nito. Singer or siguro may pagka-leader. Magaling. Okay. This person have a leadership. Naghihirap. Okay. Naghihirap. Maybe this person is currently in a battle. Okay, Aquarius. Okay, doctor. Katong taong ito ay nasa hospital, nagtatrabaho, doctor. And anti-social. Okay, this person is kind of like a loner. Okay, siguro nakita mo itong taong ito medyo loner or parang this person doesn't like to be being around with too much people. Okay, or baka may pagka-snob. Yeah. Or, parang nakukuha ko yung energy na mukhang maldito o mukhang maldita. Okay. Pero crush mo pa rin. Ang cute lang. Anyway, so, kunin natin ang energy ng person mo. Okay. What if, meron natin tayong third party. I'm also getting like you guys are thinking about the person that who is already in a relationship na. Okay. But you are still thinking, what if naging kayo? Okay. So, meaning, siguro iba ang pinili ng person mo from the past. Okay? And you are thinking, what if naging kayo? Yeah. We have here 5 of Swords. What if naging sila ng person nila? What if naging sila, the past person? What if naging sila ng past person nila? Parang ayaw nito. Hold on. So, gamitin natin itong ibang tarot deck. Spirit Guardians, what if naging sila ng person nila from the past? Knight of Pentacles. What else? Spirit Guardians. What if naging sila ng person nila? Okay. Yes. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyong third party, what if naging kayo? Okay. You could, baka siguro ngayon may 3 anak na kayo na puro babae or 2 babae. Okay. your life would be like, maybe you would be dealing like a long distance relationship. You might be dealing with a person na nasa abroad, nagtatrabaho sa abroad, or baka ikaw to nasa abroad, or maybe may distance sa person mo. There's a possibility kung naging kayo, okay, masaya sana, parang kung naging kayo, there's a chance na parang either na mababae siya, or there's like a third, still there's like may third party pa rin eh. Kasi kanina 'di ba na-mention ko yung third party. Meron din ditong third party. So magkakaroon baka this time you could be kung naging kayo, baka may 3 anak na kayo or 2, yung iba sa inyo 2, happy family. There could be also na if there's a chance na magkakalayo ka ng person mo, siguro ikaw ay nasa bahay lang while your person is in abroad. That could be also part of a third party situation. Okay? Kasi yung separation ninyo, there's a part of third party. Okay? Kasi yung trabaho niya, napapagitna sa inyong sitwasyon, sa inyong relasyon. So, you could be also dealing na long distance relationship, yung partner mo nasa malayo, nagtatrabaho, while you are home, okay, taking care your children, okay, and you will be also thinking about traveling to see him, something like that. Okay? Or yung iba sa inyo, kung naging kayo, there's a chance na you could become a single mom or a single dad, vice versa. Okay? There's a chance na magkakahiwalay pa rin kayo ng person mo kung naging kayo. This is the past person ha. Okay? Parang ikaw yung napag-iwanan or napag-iwanan kanya ng 2 anak o 3 anak. Okay, so ang ending parang kung naging kayo, you will become a single mom with 2 children or 3 children kung naging kayo. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, again, makakaroon ka ng 3 or 2 anak. There's a long distance relationship between you and your partner. Okay? There's like always like a gap between the two of you. Okay, may pagkakalayo sa inyong 2 kung naging kayo. Kasi parang more on travel ang person mo. Okay? So what else? What else, Spirit Guardian Angels? What if magiging sila ng person? Okay, for the future person. What if magiging sila ng person nila? What if magiging sila? Okay. Again, yung iba naman sa inyo dito, more on money. Okay? Parang kung naging kayo, yung iba sa inyo parang naghihirap pa rin. Okay? Meron nga ditong naghihirap, di ba? Siguro, the person that you're thinking right now, yung iba sa inyo, maybe this person is currently naghihirap. Okay? So, kung naging kayo, baka maging part ka sa buhay niya na naghihirap until now. Mahirap pa rin ang buhay nyo, mahirap pa rin ang finances ninyo. Okay? That's the current energy. Hold on. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito, again, may pahabol tayo dito. Kung naging kayo ng past person mo, okay, meron tayong ditong this person could be a change. Suddenly, magbabago itong taong ito. At biglang iiwan ka na lang sa ere kung naging kayo ng person ito. Okay? Yeah. Ito yung tao na biglang magbabago. Okay? Parang, ano ba yun? Parang, biglang mag-relocate, biglang iwan ka sa ere kung naging kayo. Yeah. So, let's move on na sa ating future. Okay? What if maging kayo? What if maging kayo? Okay. Hold on. Alam mo, parang gusto ko itong isang card na to. Hold on. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, what if maging sila ng person? The person on their mind, what if maging sila? What if maging sila? The person on their mind, what if maging sila? Okay, King of Cups. What else? What if maging sila? Okay. 10 of Wands. Saan ko ba ito? Ano parang napupuno na natin dito? What if maging sila? Alam mo kung maging kayo in the future, this person, Tapos na tayo sa pasa. This person would be a good husband, a good provider. This person will give all. Ibibigay niya ang lahat sa iyo. Okay? Pagka-travel, this person wanted to see you often. Gusto kanya makita araw-araw. This person will be working hard para maibigay sa iyo or maisa katuparan ang future ninyo. Okay? Future house ninyo, future family ninyo. Okay? This person is very a workaholic. Maybe you are dealing with an older person, older man, a boss. Okay? Yeah, very loving, care. Okay? Workaholic itong taong ito. Yeah. This person always think about the future. So, swerte ka. Okay, this is a future person. What if maging kayo? Kung maging kayo ng person ito. Yeah, this person that you're dealing right now, for the future person that you're thinking, okay? Yes, this person is very matalino, mapagmahal, caring, a good provider, okay? Masipag, yes. This person wanted to have a happy family, okay? Yeah, you will be lucky to have this person in your life, okay? This person wants to have a child, with you, okay? This person sees you also na to have a child with him, have a happy family with this person, okay? So parang may vice versa. If you are daydreaming about this person also parang iniisip niya rin na you are also one of the person na you are capable of to have a family with this person. Okay? So again, you're gonna be a lucky person with this person. Okay? Yes. Kasi your intuition, parang yung intuition mo is also guiding na tama yung intuition mo. Okay? This is approved. Your intuition is correct na kasi parang iniisip mo, pagka iniisip ng taong ito, I'm sure si ganito ganyan, pag naging kami, okay? Mamahalin ako, mabait yan, masipag, okay? Yes, it's true. Okay, kung naging kayo or kung magiging kayo in the future with this person, okay, you are one of the luckiest person in this world. Kasi itong taong ito ay maganda, gwapo, mapagmahal, a good provider, okay, nurturing, yes, a loving person, priority niya ang mga importanteng bagay, and you are also one of your person or this person's future, okay, wife or husband, pero priority niya talaga yung mamahalin niya, okay, yung papakasalan niya habang buhay. So, yeah, kung magiging kayo ng taong ito, this is confirmed, your intuition is trying to tell you na this person is a good and you will be one of the luckiest person in this lifetime. Okay, kung maging kayo ng taong ito. Wow. So, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pa? You know what? Hold on. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, what if maging sila ng person nila? What if maging sila ng person nila in the future? In the future, what if? Ano magiging buhay niya in the future? Okay, tell me more. Okay. Yeah, most likely here you might be, you could be around 33, okay? Or you might be dealing with an older man, older person, or a business person, okay? Businessman, businesswoman, okay? In the future, kung maging kayo, okay? I'm getting like, kung magkakaroon pa ng chance na maging kayo, okay? This person might gonna be like in a bad situation. Parang magiging matanda na siya kung may chance pa na maging kayo. Okay? If you're dealing with an older man, older person, matured person, we say above 40s or above 30s, pagka nagkaroon pa kayo ng chance na maging kayo ng person na ito, parang nagkakaroon na siya ng mga sakit sa katawan. Parang ganon. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like you guys are waiting for this person na maging free. Parang nagkakaroon ng, you are waiting for this person na maging free or freedom. Okay? Yeah. You are feeling alone. You are always thinking about this person. Maybe you guys are worrying about this person's health. Baka inintindi mo yung kalusugan niya, baka inisip mo na sana okay lang yung person ko, sana lagi siyang malakas, malusog. Okay? This could be also happening to some of you here if you're dealing with an older person. Na this person is currently feeling ill. Baka may nararamdaman mo siya mga sakit, hindi mabuting pakiramdam. Okay? But if it happen na maging kayo in the future, baka magiging ka na lang, magbabantay sa kanya, or ano ba yun, parang nagiging caregiver ka na lang sa kanya. But it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to be still with this person. Okay? If it's really true love, then you will still gonna accept this person even if this person is about to die. Kasi nga, di ba, it's pure love. No matter what na masakit, hindi na siya malusog or may mga karamdaman niya, again, love is above everything. Okay, so you can still endure all of that pain, you know. Handa ka pa rin na samahan siya hanggang sa huling hininga. Wow, this is really a pure love, true love. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to wait with this person, or you are still willing to wait with this person, even if you could be the one already married or this person already married. So it's up to you. Okay, so one last message. Okay, what is this person want to tell you right now? The person in your mind, okay? Spirit ka rin, just ano ang gusto sabihin ng person nila sa ating mga viewers? We need to let each other go. This person wants you to, let go na. Move on. Okay? Kasi I'm getting like this person losing confidence. Wala lang chance pa para sa ating dalawa. I want to see you happy with someone else. Okay? This person is also getting like, this person is trying to move on. This is from your past person. Okay? Yeah. What else, Spirit Angels? Ano pa? Ano pang gustong sabihin ng person nila sa ating viewers? I hope that you can forgive me one day. Yeah, siguro ito yung tao din na hindi nakagawa ng maganda sa iyo or nagkaroon ng bad situation. Okay, heartaches, mga hindi magandang nasabi na sana, or siguro na napunta sa ibang babae or pumili ng ibang another person, third party. This person wants you to be happy, wants you to forgive this person na kahit hindi man naging tayo, sana napatawad mo ko. Okay? What else? One more message here for our beloved viewers. Okay. Oh, tatlo talaga. I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. This person, maybe you are dealing with your soulmate. Okay? This person, I'm getting like this is the same from this person. The concern, number 33, okay? Matanda or older or, yeah. I'm getting the energy of, siguro matured itong taong ito. Maybe you are, siguro hanggang ngayon hindi ka pa nakapag-move on or gustong-gusto mo pa rin siya kasi alam mong napaka-mature ng taong ito, napaka-elegante, napaka-mabait. Okay? And kaya hindi mo talaga maiwasan na maghintay na siguro parang kaya mo pa. Kakayanin mo maghintay sa taong ito. Okay? But this person also think na, I am grateful na nakilala kita. I am grateful na minahal mo ko. I am grateful na mas mula nang nakilala kita, mas naging mapalapit ako sa Panginoon. Parang ganun. Yeah. So that's why this person had a lot of realization that I am grateful for the spiritual lesson. Yeah. Siguro nakaramdam siya ng mga karma. Okay. Finding out the truth crushed me. Okay. So whatever it is, siguro this is about the third party or something about a situation na nalaman niya, na nagulat siya, na nasaktan siya. Okay? Again, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito makakaresonate sa lahat. So, just take what's yours and leave the rest behind. Kasi, para po itong lahat sa mga viewers natin dito na energy na kukuha ko. So, again, intindihin nyo na lang ha. And be more patient. Walang nega dito sa ating reading. Okay? And we have here, it was my fault, but I blamed you. Okay? Meron tayong ditong mga pagsisisi. May mga parang naging duwag. may mga tao talagang naging duwag, no? Instead na magpakalalaki, okay, or hindi lang sa lalaki, pero yung mahilig mang blame. Alam mo namang kasalanan mo, bakit i-blame mo pa sa iba? Okay, yung naging kasalanan niya or mga hindi magandang gawain. Parang mali ko naman, may mali ka rin. Parang ganon. Okay? Yung talagang hindi marunong tumanggap ng pagkakamali. Okay? So, again, this person learned their lesson. Okay? Na sa mga pangyayari na mga hindi maganda. Okay? Kaya may mga rason na hindi naging kayo. Okay? So, you know what? Let's ask the universe, the message, what you need to know this time. Okay? But again, your persons also want you to be happy. If your person already moved on, then kung kaya niya nakapag-move on, kaya mo rin makapag-move on. Okay? Your person also care for you. Gusto niya na maging masaya ka sa iba. Okay? Kung ayaw niya talaga maghintay ka. But it will be great kung may chance pa from the universe. Okay? Yeah. Alright, Spirit Guardians, what else? Anong dapat malaman ng ating beloved viewers this time? Final message from the universe, please. Okay. We have here maybe, whatever you are thinking, it could be maybe someone hates you. Siguro the person still hates you. Okay. Siguro until now, hate mo pa rin siya. Follow your intuition. Diba kanina yung intuition? So, again, if you are, parang kung kinakabahan ka or may mga nararamdaman ka sa person mo, then speak up, okay? In a better way, in a calm way. Kailangan talaga kalmado ka muna. Hindi pwede na bigla ka na lang sisigawan yung person mo. So hindi talaga magkaroon ng peaceful conversation, okay? You're too silly, okay? Yes. You guys are too silly, okay? Joker, okay, masayahin. What else, Spirit? Just tell me more about this reading. Anong gusto mo masasabi sa reading na ito ng ating mga viewers? Advice? Any advice for our beloved viewers? Message? Any message? Yan. Sanctity. No. Sanctity. Sanctity. Ano ba ito? Hold on. Through offering, even the most mundane problem can become a sacrament. So, kailangan talaga mag-yoga. Alam mo, I'm also getting like, breathe in and breathe out. You need to, kailangan mag-practice ka mag-yoga or meditation, more on prayers, okay? More on believing God, okay? And feel free na yung magbigay ng yung regalo, okay, sa church. Yung, anong tawag doon? Para mag-offer. Yung may mga offer. Or like kahit lang sa bahay mo, okay? Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ha, kasi usually sa bahay, pagka kunwari nagluluto ako, meron kasi akong mga Papa Jesus, may Santo Niño, Sinyo Santo Niño, may Archangels, ganun. So doon sa altar, pagka nagluluto ako, so yung niluluto kong ulam, sinishare ko rin sa mga doon sa mga deities ko. Okay, sa mga, yeah. So naglalagay din ako ng pagkain sa harapan nila at nagsisindi ako ng kandila. As a gratitude, okay? Yeah, so lagi ako nagpapasalamat sa kanila kung anong meron ako, sinishare ko sa Panginoon na, na I am very grateful kung ano yung buhay ko ngayon, sa mga blessings na binigay na sa akin. And I'm also getting like, feel free to do this as well, okay? To share your gratitude to the universe, okay? You're being grateful kung anong meron kayo, okay? So magsindi ng kandila, maglagay ng pagkain doon sa harapan ng mga Panginoon ninyo or yung mga deities ninyo, whoever you believe. Yeah. Try nyo lang, okay? Para naman mas maramdaman ninyo or mas ma-share nyo talaga or may padama ninyo sa Panginoon na you are truly grateful. Always pray. Magpasalamat sa lahat-lahat at para din na magabayan kayo palagi. Okay? At kung may mga problema kayo, i-share nyo rin sa Panginoon. Okay? Siguro lately parang lagi kayong bugnutin, lagi kayong nagagalit, then ipanalangin nyo sa Panginoon na Lord, sana po ay matulungan ninyo ako na maging mas pasensyosa, na laging yung pakinggan, na makakayanan kong pakinggan lahat ng mga problema sa mga anak ko, sa pamilya ko, sa mga kaibigan ko. Parang ganon. Yeah. So, more on understanding. Okay? So, again, hanggang dito na lang sa lahat ng aking mga beloved star viewers. Sana po kayo ay nakaresonate. Feel free to leave your comment below and hit the likes below. And I hope na click na rin yung bells, okay, for notification bell para anytime na may bago kong video, magkakaroon kayo ng notification message from your YouTube channel. Okay, so again, I love you guys and I hope to see you guys next time on my next reading. Mag-ingat kayo pa lagi. Bye!